I think I have to share from my experience over the last couple of months, y'all, because I was guided. It was suggested to me that I start using a pendulum when I was connecting with my guidance, when I was in meditation, and if I thought that I was receiving information, to have it yes, no, to test percentage of accuracy, going, am I 10% accurate? Am I 20% accurate? Am I 50% accurate? And having the pendulum guide the way and hone in on what was coming through, not needing to judge, only to measure. It's like, oh, what am I opening up to? What's me? What's guidance? And it's been amazing. But what happened during the process is that in maybe flexing a different muscle, I'll call it, accessing in a different way, I felt access to another collective that I didn't have access to, but that I wasn't hearing before, that I wasn't aware um, was communicating with me, and it's expanded um, a capacity for stillness and peace in me. Um, the messages that are coming through are being validated by exterior sources that are absolutely amazing. And short end of it is that there's been a depth of awareness that's pouring through as I've kind of gone a little bit out of my comfort zone or brought back in a tool that I was familiar with before, but there to explore a little more deeply, and something new opened up. So it's been so powerful for me.
That is incredible. There's probably a lot of people watching and listening right now who are thinking, huh, I have a pendulum. It's in my drawer. It's been there for 15 years. I haven't pulled it out
Right.
since the last time. So a lot of us do have these. Sometimes we receive them as gifts. Sometimes we don't know what the heck they are, but they're pretty and we buy them and then we don't know how to use them. So we store them somewhere. So dusting it off after a while is a good idea and starting fresh with it. There's endless layers that you can have revealed to you through this tool.